This is Amazing Everything, or Sophia, and we are going to be doing a review on Splash Magic. So, how would you think that this campground was on a scale 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would have to say a 9 for myself, because I really enjoyed the water park.
Yes, we really did. So, what was your favorite part of the water park?
It would probably be the slides, the 2 different pools,
Yes.
and the hot tub, all in one area where you could just jump from one to the other. And I was like a little kid. We played all day.
Yes.
We stayed there 4th of July weekend,
Yes.
2021,
Yes.
and it was a little rainy.
A little bit.
Yeah, we had a spot down by the river,
Yes.
L19, and with all the rain, there happened to be a mud puddle that grew on the road in front of us.
So whenever somebody drove by, we got splashed.
But when it was raining, as long as it wasn't thundering, we were in the pool, right?
Yeah, it's good.
There was lots of other things to do, but we were primarily in the pool.
Oh, there was also a foam pit down by the pool.
Yes, the foam pit down by the pool.
Yes, the foam pit.
That opened up after the volleyball competition, right?
Yeah, so you basically came there, and in one of the pools, there would be people playing volleyball. After that, they would make the announcement. Everyone will head over to the foam pit, and it's so much fun there.
It was.
It was definitely a lot of fun.
We didn't take as many pictures as we wanted to. I guess that's a good thing, is we enjoyed it
Yes.
instead of running around with our phones throughout the water park. That's why we're doing this review at home after it's all said and done.
Yes.
We're looking to do some more reviews on other campgrounds we went to, right? This is going to be a new thing we're going to start this year.
Yes. And also, we have to do the review on Lizard Creek.
Yes, Lizard Creek was one of our other favorite places that we like to go to. We went twice last year, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll start doing reviews from now on.
Yeah.
What else did we talk about? The lake thing.
The playground, there was a lot of swings, slides, there was also a bouncy pillow, and by that was the Gaga ball pit,
Yes.
and there was other fun things there. There was a couple of games, one where you basically had to like slap the dots. It's pretty cool.
If you don't want to enjoy the wilderness and you want a little more active setting, Splash Magic for 4th of July weekend was the place to be.
Yes.
There was a lot of kids. There was a lot of people walking their dogs.
Yes.
Golf carts riding around. They had a golf cart parade at night. Not as many fireworks.
No, not as many.
Kids
but
everywhere. There was always a group of kids to play with.
Yes, definitely.
Pools were not that crowded, right?
No,
It was like just perfect.
Yeah.
Hardly any lines for as hot as it was on the hot tub was just the right size to fit everyone.
Yes. But also, for safety reasons, at the pool, whenever they see lightning, they evacuate the pool just so you don't have to worry about that.
Yes. Yeah, half an hour, right? When there's lightning and thunder, they did a half an hour, and then they opened it back up again.
Yeah, and then you can all crowd back in.
Yes. Bicycles was one thing, right?
Yes,
We didn't ride bicycles as much as we usually do because we were in the pool.
Yeah.
But the bicycles were allowed until 9 o'clock until dark, right around the lake. Lots of other bicycles out there, and golf carts.
Oh, and fishing, by the way.
Yes.
Yes, there was lots of fishing. We saw people catching fish, and also the bumper boats.
Yes, the bumper boats.
Yes, there was bumper boats down by the lake. There was also big cow boats and other sort of fun boats.
They were 3-wheeled tricycles almost, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
They were very fun.
They were, you would get a wristband. I think the wristband was $21.
Yes, you need a wristband to unlock certain things like mini golf and stuff.
Yes, the mini golf.
We haven't got to that yet, or the river.
We wanted to, but we didn't.
Next year we will, definitely.
Yes. I'm not really sure. The water park was so fun. We just spent most of our time at the water park.
Yes.
We brought our fishing gear to fish. People were catching catfish. But we never made it up there to fish, right? We were at the water park.
Yeah.
From sun up to sundown, we were at the water park.
Yeah. You can rent golf carts, but it's only until you go.
Yeah, we didn't rent any golf carts.
But,
Again, we're at the water park.
but if you want a campground that's really fun and that your kids can have fun at too, I recommend you try Splash Magic. Because Splash Magic is basically the place to be if you want a fun weekend.
Yes. Another thing that we didn't take pictures of were the rock painting.
Yes,
We had a bunch of kids in our group, and there was 38 rocks total
Yep.
that we drew pictures on. Aliens, tractors, watermelon. One was an avocado, I think.
Yeah.
Right? They had some 4th of July sayings on them. Happy camping.
And we did hide them around, which was pretty fun. So if you go there, try to look for some.
There is a seasonal spot that was right next to us, L18. We gave them, I think, would you give them 1 or 2 rocks?
We gave them, I would say,
Yeah.
I don't know.
The rest were all hidden. So if you're down that
One
way,
was up in the tree.
yeah, one was in a tree. So if you're down that way and you find one of those rocks, comment below that you found one.
Yes.
Maybe send us a picture. It'd be neat to
Yeah.
see where they end up at, and whether you want to keep it or hide it again for someone else. We had a good time painting them, good
Yeah.
time hiding them, right?
You can definitely take them and bring them to another campsite and hide them. We would love that.
It's another thing we're going to do. We're going to try to do some rock painting on one of the days that we're there and hide them around the campground. Leave a little bit behind.
Yeah.
So
If you find one of the rocks, make sure to comment on it. Or even if you find some of the hardest, there's 2 hard ones. If you get them, make sure to leave a like and comment down below.
yes, and I guess as always, as they say, please be sure to subscribe. There'll be more videos coming as far as the camping world goes, right?
Yep.
And we smash the like button,
Yep, smash
hit the
that.
subscribe,
Yep. And
and-
ring the bell.
and ring the bell. And we'll see you again next time.
Yep, bye.